To show the caption in a certain font type in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to set the caption style to custom and then change the font type. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap caption preference and then tap caption size and style. Tap caption style and then select custom. Under the custom option, tap font family and then select the desired font type you like to use for the caption. As the example, we will select casual. Now the caption will be shown in casual font. As a note, if you have set to enable the caption, the setting will also be applied to live caption and other apps that support the caption preferences. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.